All right. Well, you finished writing project 1, so you probably have a better idea of what's going on in the class now. So I'm glad to see that we're coming to that point. Hopefully, you figured out like what the writing process is all about and how to actually enact that writing process. Now we're moving on to writing project 2, and there's a lot in common between writing project 1 and writing project 2. Like in writing project 1, you're going to be making a claim about something and then trying to support that claim with evidence. This time around, though, we're not going to just take the your own personal experience and your own writing as evidence. The evidence this time is going to be based on observations that you do. This is still primary research. You're still gathering it yourself, but now this time you have to go out into the world and gather it on your own, like a scientist does, or like an ethnographer does, or like a sociologist does. Go out and get that data. So, the data that you're going to be gathering is from observing a new space. This is going to be someplace that you haven't gone before. And because this is an online class, I'm going to suggest that you choose an online space so we can all visit that space pretty easily online. If you have a good reason for why you'd prefer to choose a physical space, that's fine with me, but I'd like you to talk about it with me and see if we can't get something worked out. Now, this online space, like I said, should be new to you. It should be something that you're already interested in, I suggest. And the reason why is because if you're trying to figure out what the community is talking about in their discussions, it's going to be tough on you. So something that you're interested in, but someplace that you haven't visited before. Good places to check out are places like forums, online forums that specialize in something that you're interested in. For example, in the past, I've had students go to anime forums, or go to forums about photography, or go to forums about crafting or building little things. So those all work. Another idea is to check out I don't know if you're familiar with this, but on Reddit there are these things called subreddits. There's sections of the site focused on a specific topic. Some of the smaller subreddits are really great for helping you figure out stuff. So, for example, I subscribe to the subreddit running. It's reddit.com/r/running, and in there they give you lots of tips about how to be a better runner and give you a lot of encouragement and stuff like that. So something like that might be really good as well. Yeah. So now what I'd like you to do is I'd really like you to start thinking about like what kind of place you want to observe. And try to get out there into that world and find the stuff. Keep in mind you're probably going to have to be spending a lot of time at these sites, probably several hours observing, and you're going to have to jump right in and participate. So when you're selecting your site, make sure you take some time to weigh your options and see what's out there and see if you can't find something that's really good and a really good fit for you for this assignment. If you have any questions about what to look for in a site or how to find one, let me know. And next up is reading the assignment sheet. So read that carefully. That'll fill in some of the details that I didn't talk about just now. And ask any questions you have about it that as well. Thanks.